Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Adobe Premiere Pro for creating sponsored videos, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type Adobe Premiere Pro download and press enter. This will take you to the official Adobe website. Look for the free trial option prominently displayed on the page. Click on the free trial button. You may need to sign in with your Adobe ID if prompted. If you don't have an Adobe ID, click on Create an account. Fill in the required information to sign up. Once signed in, return to the Adobe Premiere Pro page. Now click on Download. The installer for Adobe Premiere Pro will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the downloaded installer file. Double-click the installer to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software. During installation, you may be prompted to choose installation preferences. Make your selections and proceed. After installation, open Adobe Premiere Pro from your Applications menu. Adobe may prompt you to sign in again. Use your Adobe ID to log in. Once logged in, you can start a new project. Explore the features and tools available for creating your sponsored videos. You are now ready to edit and produce your content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.